I'd first take this opportunity to thank all of you all. It's been about over a year since we started Questera, and in the last 12 months or so, we've been to around 14 different countries, helped around over 100 travelers, and built this nice community of designers and art-loving people, crossing 15,000. So what we're doing in the Bali project is we're handpicking 15 creative and cultural entrepreneurs or professionals who are at that point in their lives that they want to understand what creative entrepreneurship is, what cultural entrepreneurship is. Bali, as we all know, is the digital nomad hub of the world, and there's no better place to sit back, understand creative entrepreneurship, cultural entrepreneurship, do all the amazing workshops that the team has planned on this intensive, and meet some of the coolest people from all over the world. So we'd be happy to welcome you on board. See you in Bali.